Video 10, Attending International Student Orientation. Hello everyone, it's Marty. In this video, we'll guide you through essential steps for attending International Student Orientation, one of the exciting final stages before you start your classes on your new U.S. college campus. This session aims to prepare you for life on campus, covering adjustment to a new environment, settling in, understanding rules on campus, and fostering lifelong friendships. Getting on a schedule, attending classes on time, and adjusting to the time difference is crucial as you adjust to life in the United States. Each university has student orientation sessions which will help you adjust in a U.S. college campus. This will be extremely helpful, especially if you're not a native speaker of English, which most of you aren't. Embrace the freedom to make mistakes. It's okay. It takes some time to adjust, and the university officials understand this. And you will have challenges in this transformative period in your life, but they are ready to assist you. Don't be afraid to ask. Getting settled on campus should be priority one. Orientation sessions will cover immigration regulations, how to maintain your status, and provide insights into the campus itself. At the same time, this can be an exciting time for learning about your new environments and using that campus map to find all your classes. So engage in campus tours that are offered to familiarize yourself with key locations you'll be using, such as academic buildings, libraries, student centers, dining halls, athletic facilities. Explore the campus environment and discover the facilities at your disposal. Understanding the rules is a crucial aspect of your transition. You should acquaint yourself with immigration regulations, health insurance protocols, and academic policy. These are the central themes addressed by universities during international student orientation. Notably, the absence of a national health insurance program in the U.S. makes attending these sessions essential for managing healthcare costs. It's imperative for students to secure private health insurance, and your university will guide you through the enrollment process. Additionally, familiarizing yourself with academic policies, especially regarding plagiarism, is vital to ensure a smooth academic journey for you. Now let's delve into the fun aspects of being an international student. While IELTS has facilitated your journey and showcased your English proficiency, it has also paved the way for you to commence your studies and engage with fellow international students, enhancing your language skills in the process. So utilize the orientation sessions as a chance to connect not only with your fellow international students, but also with your U.S. peers. Participate in workshops on cultural adjustment and cross-cultural communication so that you can enhance your intercultural competence and foster meaningful interactions with peers, faculty, and staff from the diverse backgrounds that exist on a U.S. college campus. I'd also recommend connecting with advisors and mentors who can provide guidance and support and mentorship throughout your academic experience. Seek their advice on academic challenges, career opportunities, and personal development. And most importantly, embrace the transformative journey ahead by participating in various activities, joining clubs, exploring different organizations, immersing yourself in the fun of university life. Make the most of these initial days as they mark the beginning of a rewarding adventure for you. As you conclude your international student orientation, feel empowered and equipped to embark on a fulfilling academic journey. I trust this brief overview has provided insights into what you can anticipate during your student orientation and offered valuable tips. Keep an eye out for the upcoming video where you'll discover what life is like on a U.S. campus. And as always, I'll include useful links in the description below. So follow, like, and share with your friends and colleagues, and we'll see you next time.